Okay, I'm here at the Plug Cryogenics booth. I got Adam Van D. Mortel, sales manager. Talk about some of the products and services that a GAWDA distributor would typically buy from you.
So we have cryogenic transport trailers that we manufacture, bulk tanks, portable systems, and microbulk delivery units.
Nice. Anything new that you guys just recently started to offer that maybe distributors would be interested in?
I mean, we have a leading class cryogenic liquid hydrogen transport. We also have other portable hydrogen systems and integrated systems for vaporizers, pumps, storage, pretty much anything on the cryogenic equipment side. We do turnkey systems.
Nice. How about for the people around the room that maybe know about you guys, but what might be something that they don't know about you?
Probably our portable vaporization and mobile storage solutions. We do a lot of virtual pipeline applications in the LNG space. So we're definitely a leading manufacturer and engineering capability for virtual pipeline applications and really any kind of integrated controls for a turnkey system.
Nice, there you go. Quick update here from Plug Cryogenics. If you need the cryogenic equipment, call Adam. He'll help you out. He'll get you situated. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.